Palms are plants that can grow across the world, and you don't have to live in the tropics to enjoy them. Whether they are grown in pots or outdoors, palm trees evoke a tropical bliss that is outstanding. The secret to healthy, graceful palms lies in the care you give them. Before you learn how to care for palm trees outdoors, you should learn how to choose the right palm. Choosing palms that you can grow. Palms have a wide variety to choose from. You will need to choose the type that does well in your area. When choosing palms, pay attention to nursery catalog descriptions or plant tags, and remember these two important points. The winter hardiness ability. Potted palms do not have this concern, because they spend winter safely indoors. The outdoor landscape palms spend the winter season outside. You must match your palm tree to the climate. Some cold hardy palm trees can withstand very low temperatures below 0 degrees, while others perish from frost. The palms mature in size. This depends on what size of palm tree you want in your yard. Some go for the very tall ones, others medium, or the shortest. Space and purpose. First, establish where you want to plant them before picking the height. It will help you see the picture more clearly with the space in mind. By choosing the right palm suitable for your intended space and purpose, you get to enjoy its beauty. How to care for palm trees outdoors. Palm trees, just like other kinds of plants, require special care, but are low maintenance. It is important to take special for their roots, because they do not have deep roots growing deep beneath the tree. The palm tree roots branch very little, and do not increase in size as the tree grows upward. Most palms have a single trunk, although there are species that grow as clusters. They have a single growing point at the top of the trunk called the terminal bud. Once the terminal bud is injured, most palm trees die. The roots of a palm tree do not damage sidewalks and utilities, because they do not thicken like other trees. Outdoor palm tree general care. Soil. Palm trees receive most of their nutrients from the topsoil and the top of the nearby ground. This means you will need to fertilize the soil with proper nutrients. Watering. New palm trees need watering at least 2 times a week for the first 6 months. Give it adequate water to ensure moisture is penetrating 1.5 foot into the soil. If you are growing your palm tree on sandy soil, add extra water, as sandy water does not maintain moisture. Fertilization. Palms suffer from a nutritional deficiency in manganese, iron, and zinc. Using moss peat, pine bark, compost, or liquid sulfur lowers the pH of the soil. The ideal fertilizer for palm trees is 8x2x12, which varies greatly from other plants. Remember, palms get their nutrients from the top of the soil. Pruning. Most palm trees shed their fronds as a natural process. When pruning, remove the yellowing or browning old fronds, because they take away important nutrients from the tree. Do not trim the branches too close to the trunk, as this might easily damage the tree. Do not prune off more leaves than the tree has produced in 1 year. This will cause stunted growth. Pests and diseases. Palms are susceptible to bacteria, viruses, and fungi as well as pests. The most common pests include giant palm borer. This borer is large and quite ugly. This borer lives in the inside of the palm trunk for up to 9 years before exiting as beetles through big-sized holes. Palm budworm. This beetle's larvae feed on the flowers of many varieties of palm trees. These caterpillars are about 1 inch long and are pink-green in color. Thrips. The North America thrips make up a large family of insects. Some of the thrips have a taste for palm trees, feeding on leaves and flowers by puncturing the surfaces to suck out the sap. Thrips are not fatal to palms, but when they feed on adult plants, discolors and wilt the leaves. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.